Hello, welcome to DROID. Whether you are starting out to make wet wipes for the first time, or you want to upgrade your current wet wipes machine, you might be wondering what kind of wet wipes machine you should buy. Here are 6 essential tips for buying a good wet wipes machine. We hope these tips will help you make the right purchase decision and avoid making mistakes in buying a machine that does not live up to your expectations. Tip 1. Do not just keep your eyes on the initial purchase price. Efficiency matters a lot to fast manufacturing consumer products. Smart wet wipes manufacturers care more about how efficient a good wet wipes machine could be. If your wet wipes production line runs at higher speed with less downtime, you are able to produce more wet wipes in a day, and your unit manufacturing cost could be significantly reduced. Tip 2. Look at stable speed, not the highest speed claimed by the supplier. When you make a comparison with each wet wipes machine supplier, determine the winner by performing a leak test, comparing the seal performance and reject rate at the same operating speed. Tip 3. Changeover time is easily overlooked but critical. Consumer market is fast changing. A wet wipes manufacturer might experience frequent changeovers from one format to another on each production line within a day. That means it is critical to buy a truly multi-purpose wet wipes machine which can run as many formats as possible, with faster and easier changeover between each format. However, the flexibility of wet wipes machines designed and made by each machinery supplier varies widely, so you need to pay close attention to the range of output product dimensions applicable on the machine from each supplier. Do not take the lip services from the supplier. Ask for a machine running demo or samples from the trial run. This will save you a ton of money the next year on a new machine for the products your current machine cannot produce. Tip 4. When it comes to success in eco-friendly wet wipes manufacturing, it matters a lot what wet wipes machines you choose. Not all wet wipes machines viable in the market are capable of running eco-friendly materials. Besides, efficiency and reject rates differ a lot from each other. Make sure the machine you buy is future-proof that supports your mission to go green with ease. Tip 5. Electrical component is not the only element that justifies the price of a wet wipes machine. Quality is in details. More attention should be paid to the processing precision of mechanical components, the workmanship, the capacity, speed, and efficiency, the user-friendly design, the flexibility of making different formats, the changeover time between each format, the feasibility for future upgrades, the in-house program support, the add-ons and accessories, the automation levels, and the output product quality. Each wet wipes machine supplier may claim they have the same certain function, but efficiency and reject rates differ a lot. Tip 6. Buy from the most trusted machine manufacturer. After the outbreak of pandemic started, many new wet wipes machine dealers have been active online. It is common to see a trader who knows very little about wet wipes machines traveling from one manufacturing factory to the another, taking nice videos and pretending to be a professional and an experienced wet wipes machine manufacturer. Do not just take what they claim for granted. Gather as much information as you can from each machine dealer until you find the one who matches your expectation most. But be mindful of unilateral information. Always ask for their customer testimonial, talk to their customers, or pay a visit to their factory. Be wary of false promises. In general, the most trusted wet wipes machine supplier should be the one with a worldwide track record of happy customers. Join DROID's happy customers. Make your wet wipes cheaper and faster than your competitors.